What is up, YouTube? Andre Reyes finally back with another video. So it's been well over 2 years and I wanted to wait till I had 1,000 followers to make a video. So we're well over 1,000. So for everybody who followed, watched the video, subscribed, I've talked to on Instagram, and everybody who I've seen go through their entire process of talking to me, reaching out to Ashley Tarkin and other hair transplant clinics, and then seeing them go from being nervous about traveling to go ahead and booking the consultation to flying all the way over to Turkey, getting the hair transplant, coming back home, and then now, I mean, some of the people, they're also a year and a half, even 2 years, or even some of the people I was getting my procedure done with, I still see their updates, and you guys all look good. If you're new to the channel, you might want to hit that little 10-second skip because I'm gonna give the 1,000 subscribers I have a little bit of a life update. Shit has been crazy while I've been off YouTube. To be as short as possible, I moved to another city, bought a house, been working a lot. I haven't really been traveling and I have been working out. I'm still on my fitness journey, but I just never posted any content. And it feels good to make YouTube videos again. My dream job, I would sit behind the computer and edit videos all day. I'd work for Netflix or I'd work for all these other YouTubers and just edit. But it does feel good to be back. There will be transplant videos, updates, and videos like this talking about the reverse of taking Finasteride. Travel videos, I leave in a couple weeks. I'm going to Florida. There's gonna be a house update video. We're ripping all the floors out, putting new floors, paint, just a little update. It's a big milestone for me. A few years ago, there's been times I had nowhere to stay. I was couch surfing to getting an apartment, to buying a house, to moving to different countries and different cities. So it's been pretty crazy. And also fitness. I've been going to the gym 6 days a week, doing cardio, working out super hard, trying to be as fit as possible. Been trying to eat as healthy as I can for, 5-6 days out of the week, and then have my cheat days, usually Saturday nights and or just Sunday. That's my little life update. We're back on the channel. If you're new, go back, watch that first video where I got my hair transplant, taking you guys through the first days of being in Turkey. Go to the 6th month where I've seen the most progress, and I go through and recap all of the months up to the 6-month mark, and then obviously we hit that 1-year milestone. Go watch that video, and those are the 3 that'll give you the most information. And if you reached out on Instagram, I probably have 30 requests. I swear I haven't been ignoring them. A lot of the stuff that I get asked is in the videos, and I know it's a lot. So if it's not in those 3 videos, don't be shy to reach out. Any other question that you have, I will get back to you. So with that, I got my laptop. I wanted to get and research all of the common side effects of taking Finasteride. Mind you, my body, everything I take, the bad side effects of it, every single thing I take, it doesn't matter what it is. So don't take my experience and automatically think it's your experience. If it applies to you, it applies to you. If it don't, good for you, man. Stay on Finasteride if that's the decision you want to make. So let's just go through these. I'm gonna skip the biggest one because we all know what the biggest one is. I'll wait till the end. So I haven't even read through this, so let's just go through it and see. So less common side effects. Finasteride has been linked to potential psychiatric side effects: depression, suicidal thoughts, behavior, anxiety, inability to feel pleasure. I feel like I didn't feel any of those, to be completely honest. Sometimes I feel like I'm just an anxious person with new experiences in the general. So I can't link that to exactly Finasteride. Some others is, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Orthostatic hypotension, a drop in blood pressure by standing up quickly. Testicular pain, never. Bloating or swelling of the face, arms, legs, or feet. I feel like I haven't had that. Rapid weight gain, that was just for me eating crazy and not being in the gym like I should be. Tingling in hands or feet. I feel like I haven't had any of these. But the biggest one I have had, which if you've watched my previous video of why I've gotten off of Finasteride, we'll just say libido. It took a good amount of time. It just didn't flatline. I feel like it was just gradual till you really don't notice it until it's like some months in, and then you're just like, damn, I feel like my libido probably got cut in half, maybe even more. And it took a while to really identify with it. And then it took about 3 weeks of me getting off it. I thought I was gonna cut the pill in half and try it that way. I just didn't want to risk it. Honestly, my hair looks good. I'm just gonna have to ride it out, continue the bald, whatever. Took about 3 weeks. But after the 3 weeks, the mornings felt the same. Fellas, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So the mornings came back and I was like, damn, maybe it was the Finasteride. And then just in general, I felt like my libido just doubled and went back to normal. Once I felt that, I'm like, man, I'm all right. I have side effects with everything. I'm gonna trust in the process of just taking biotin, multivitamin, trying to eat healthy, things like that. Have the hair as long as I can have it. There is other people in the comments like, hey man, I took Post-transplant or I took Finasteride and I have great results, man. I feel like my hair is thicker. I feel like I've had a hair transplant for a while, not balding anymore. And I wish I was that kind of person. Cause I know, I mean, it's inevitable that the hair I had before the transplant, it's gonna fall out. That's just what it is, so. And I feel like my donor area, if you follow me, I feel like it's not good enough to have another transplant. Luckily, I found a haircut that works for me, and I feel like my hair looks good. But if I cut it any lower than this, I can see the whole area that they took out the hair transplant. Maybe I can go under the beard and try to scrape some hair from different places if I really needed to. But I just feel like I'm happy with the transplant I got. It's been over 2 years and the hairline is strong. I mean, we're doing good. And my confidence has went up. I feel like this changed my entire life. I know that sounds kind of stupid, but if you had a really bad hairline, like mine was back here, all this was balding, to now I have a full head of hair. And you know, people come up to me at work or in the gym and be like, hey man, what's up, blah, blah, blah. What are you, 28, 26? And I'm thinking, bro, I'm old. I'm a lot older than 26. And if you've watched my Dominican Republic travel video, you know how old I am. I'm not gonna out myself. So that's all I have. Like, comment, subscribe. To everyone that has followed and you're a part of that first 1,000 subscribers and you've left comments, that's one thing I wanna, this is a long video, but I appreciate those comments. There's people out there that really told me how they feel about how there's one comment that said that I wish you blow up. I'm dealing with hair loss at a young age and you give me motivation and confidence and go get a hair transplant. And I feel like there's a light at the end of the tunnel of balding and getting a transplant and regaining the confidence that lost with losing your hair. I feel like all that means a lot to me, man. I really do appreciate it. More content on the way. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys a video or two a week. See you guys then. Thank you. Peace.